Welcome back to Tugger TV and no for when we suppose, but we're line up something, you see, for the Valentine's Day. We're line up something, man. But the movie, it did finish one good time now, but you know get to finish, but you just supposed to see it. So just watch it and enjoy yourself. You just go something to watch. You understand? But we are line up something for Valentine's Day. We're not rush them, we just take the time. But this they do for a long time, so I'm just a unit to go and watch. Bless up on yourself.
Come on, say my sperm have fire in a man. That fire like a gun in a man.
Yeah, no sperm in here.
So we have to try check out something earlier, man. Because I know say yo, me have fire in a man.
Me, you don't have no sperm in here.
Me have sperm
every
chip
day,
glasses.
see there, every day that you sit down and drink. What you expect to breathe me?
Because you stress me out.
What?
How long me I try to get the youth, man, I can't get no, you have to drink and to smoke.
So the more you drink, the more you burn out in something that left in you. You not feed your body good, you not you not take care of yourself. So
when I'm born and come on earth, just see them use around my spirit. So I drink around, give me spirit, and I can have the spirit now. You, I'm far more now, you man.
If from the spirit would have been 60 times already, can be sure me not already. So I don't know where you are coming right now.
Something wrong, man.
So I something wrong with you.
Yeah, me have to go check out.
Are you a problem?
You have to go check out.
Me not got no doctor because I'm sure. Me know say I know me are the problem. Me sure of that. You hear? So I know where you are come out.
Alright, hold on then. The pill, let me see in your back, like, how can I pill them then?
Sinus.
You know, sinus pill and a pill that different color pill them then.
Those are sinus
No,
pills.
sir.
Because I don't depend enough on my medication to take things to make me breathe. Honestly, because I don't want to have one right now. I don't have no pitney, you know.
You go try look more on bed. If you don't walk look more on bed, look more doctor morning.
I not try to come over with you because I know if you fuck it a week. You don't make no sense. You know, sister, that a burn out your system. You're blind?
Burn out your system.
Every day you come there and nonsense. I can't bother with you right now. You don't bother to stress me out. Every day pitney.
I want a youth before me dead, before me die.
Let me answer one question. 1 minute can make pitney.
1 minute.
And that's how long you can take every day you depart a beer rum you're drinking.
You take a second to give one picnic to you know.
And your sperm cells they're weak. I mean I got no doctor. So that's the final statement. Done with them.
We are see about it. Don't worry yourself.
That's
Everything.
weird, me night.
Everything. Don't come and tell me about my little cup of tea. Yo, you didn't even know me after you. Come not do me you know. The parents sit down here. Yeah, part of you go on about it now.
So I don't know if I go on the road, go clear my brain. Time you see you come here, oh baby, and you can't breathe me.
How you going to go?
Me I go road. You don't need to ask me that. Stop drinking rum and build up your body and then you can have all about breathe.
I'm up in there,
can't breathe. It's prill.
Eh? When you play with me, you know.
I go about my business, alright.
Alright. Why don't I pill and see? Let me test this all come around and see if nothing can come out tight.
Girl, I'm tired. It's never stop right up. Girl, want to say something to you, girl.
So that no.
When you gonna start it, man?
Why am I start it, man?
Girl, I'm a man, girl. Man, a big house.
Everything, Pinky. Why a man you want me start take?
Because I need to start it, man, too.
When me go benefit from man?
Money, car, land, food, water, wash up. You don't get so? You know them thing there?
My father have them. I just carrying though have a land. A people property we catch pan.
That's why you need to have a man, girl. You need to have a man. You know, so me get money for go to school. At 25,000 I go to school with you know?
So how much you have now?
I have my money.
So what you do with it?
Don't worry about that. They're gonna party later, you come?
No, me not come broke me out.
You're boring, you know?
And you're boring, it's called.
You need to have a man. You need to have a
Evelyn.
Good evening.
Evelyn.
Oh, she has a tear, she not tell her nothing wrong, you know.
Alright. So you need to have a man. Not tell us I have a man. We have big house. We have car, BMW, 2025 one. Me I tell you, I have water bill, I give
And
me
they can help
water.
her with a school fee and them look something.
Yes. I
So
me
who
tell
tell us
you,
them want
25,000 me get for go to school.
Come on, man. Me know say you're probably just too young. You know, you go in your head and say, no, me can't have a boyfriend, this, that, right.
Girl,
But
come
one
out
man
and
and the
finish
man
stage,
can't help
girl.
you
Come
out
out
and you
and
can't help out your
finish
You hear
parents.
your son?
How?
Me have a strong feeling say the flow get to your head. Cause no big woman now go encourage no schoolers to take man.
Oh, Jesus.
You have pitney?
At the end of the day,
No, you have pitney?
wait there.
That no concern you, she a picnic, she a tell her the right thing, me a tell her the right thing too.
Girl, if you listen, sometimes you're too stubborn. You
Girl, you
understand?
think your father got it there all the time for you, girl?
Mm-hmm. And all the time that
What
is
if
gonna
one
be
day your
there.
father, what if one day your father pass away, eh? Who gonna take care of
Me go deliver for him insurance.
you? You have money? Okay,
Right.
think of that.
Think about that. They can't help
Where
out
you
your
see man
daddy.
there for me take? The man them always
Hold
them
on,
live
just
off
hold on.
car.
Calm down now. What if your father fall sick?
I want
Come
white
down,
man, me
help
I talk to you, know, girl. White man.
No, you talk white man better, but me think I look dirty school boy them you
No.
talk.
No, just man, a big man can't be to just a man up in that age. You know, they look away there. Them we help
White
you
man me
out.
have right now, girl. Me live right up the road, him live.
Anyways, but I like your vibe. I like no vibes. You see me? We can have a little spunk too, no?
Me like
And
your best girl.
yeah, when him?
Me him
Yeah,
think
that must like our vibe. Just see you, your love friend.
Don't-
and
don't shoot
don't
me.
shoot me that.
Calm
Don't
down.
shoot
No
me,
need.
don't do that.
We're fighting for. This don't make no sense. She not telling nothing wrong. Me not telling nothing
come out
wrong.
to a fitness stage and go there with a man we can mind you, can give
Eh.
you water and everything. So if your father pass away, and I go get nothing.
Worse, you know what too? Where you're talented in a girl. You don't know if you dance and do something there.
Go show her piece. I'm sure your piece.
Yeah, give me peace.
Show
Yeah,
her piece. Show her piece to
You
now.
can't do it. Me handicap.
I need something there. You just up in your shell. No, come on. you need to put
Anyways,
yourself.
me a
Come
come
make
get
your
my
number.
yard
Hold on,
before my
hold
father
on.
beat me.
Talk about daddy a beat. Then
me
I
back
beat
you,
you.
girl. Me back you.
I'm gonna beat you for. Anyways, you know how WhatsApp and them look something there, don't you?
Yeah, me have phone.
You have a phone?
Yes, me have a phone, but my father search it.
Everything a father. Father this, father that. Father this, father that.
Me and your
Girl.
friend. So we are talking about. It's not nothing
Yes,
hard.
me have a phone. Where you
Give me
want?
your number. My number. So we can link you up on WhatsApp.
Everything, daddy this, daddy that, daddy this, daddy David knows what.
Give me for you.
Yes, me. See it me.
Or yourself, mom.
Don't promise so.
You come marry them.
Don't promise so.
Sometimes
Go on.
because of aggression too, you know. I can't
But you need to have little sense
no,
now. Let us
Anyways.
Oh no, come go on, come take a little time, come on, come on, like no, I'm tuning, you know, because you're a pretty girl.
So
too,
where
you know,
you
man.
live?
Down the road there.
So
So me can't walk with you go down the road because I'm not that you know.
No, you're straight about now, you know. Come go on home. You go home.
So where your name?
Alien. As we
Alright.
tell
Nice
you.
to
Yours?
meet you, Ariane.
What's yours?
I'm Shanice.
Shanice.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
pretty Shanice.
Yeah, same to you.
Alright, later.
Bye.
Good evening, daddy.
Evening, daddy, no? Evening, what time now?
At 6:30.
How time school over?
2:30.
So where you are come from?
School.
Look for me, good if me look like me a jackass. Me, I work too hard to send you go to school to get education. Me not send you go to
So where
school.
me I come from?
No school not have no picnic until 6:30. So
Me
you
never tell you say it have me till 6:30. Me tell you say it over 2:30.
right, so why the hell
The
you not...
bus hard to get.
Look at girl, no ramp with me, you know. No ramp with me.
Me nah ramp, daddy.
Cause nobody now care no belly come in here. Nobody now come in here with no disease. Nobody now come in here with no sick. Me not like it. What me tell you go to school to get?
Education.
And how much subject me tell you to come out with?
7.
15!
I said
15 subject. 15. No follow nobody come up with no 7 or no 4 or no 5. Come up with 15. We want you to be the next prime minister. So we can say, yeah, the daughter of prime minister, so me the vice prime minister.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Well,
Yeah, alright, anything I say. You know, cook.
we just go buy 1 pound of flour.
Pound of flour. Me tired for tell us if you top cook for 2 hours alone. Cook for pass by. I'm told me sleep and wake.
No, listen to me. No sleep and wait no there, so. This is sleep and no get up costing no food. You see when you cook, you're supposed to done it. You're not supposed to left overnight. You don't believe in that.
From morning you wash.
I thank God you're glad say from man me I watch the amount of jars that we see in one basket.
I know my.
I never know say you wear so much panty. Eh?
Mm.
One of them full of muck. For a little girl. Tap dance on road, tap dance over the place, you're full of too much grease.
You don't talk.
Yeah, we don't talk. Go and take off your uniform and come back to me.
And come back to you.
Say they're gonna shop go buy 1 pound of chicken back. Come.
Girl, I go on.
Nuh-uh.
Me did exactly what we're paying, but you did tell me say you didn't come, but me did think you that change your mind and come, but you didn't come.
It's like you don't understand. You see, look a mad, big head, nonsense man over there. Sometimes my head go. He just hold me and beat me with the cutlass. I mean, one day when he beat me, cut off my head.
But you don't know style, you're too young and fool.
Let me see you young and fool.
You have to start the road now. If you don't do road now, when you go do road, when you're old?
When me reach the age of consent.
Hello? The age of consent start from your 12.
No, at 16.
Am I like that? From your 12.
Well, you're laughing you. Me not have a
My
problem
girl.
if you want to go club, you go. So where you go now?
Are you? Me say me a come check over here, but me catch up on the road. Listen to me. Yes.
I don't think you can come on my yard dress so. You see how me drop for dress?
I have a problem that you put it by my clothes there. She know hard, she know how hard work for my clothes there. You got to want my clothes.
Alright, me not have a friend coming now, but can't say me name tell us. So
Can't
come.
believe, girl.
Come.
You really not come on our club? It hurt me, no?
You know, come on.
I will go one party later. One party I keep later. We are going to
Me not go no party and Tuesday they keep on Saturday.
No.
My father shame me, I can't say nothing.
What shame man? What happened? What happened?
Hi, good
She
evening.
said she want to come over me yard.
Good evening, young miss.
Good evening.
I,
You want a banana them?
listen me. We should have banana you talk.
The one in your hand, I could have banana. I not talk about it because I don't want a dirty banana there.
Don't talk to
Anyway.
you, girl.
Why you and she upon the road? Why you follow back?
Yeah, when I banana sister, she hungry.
Me don't want to because I'm hungry. I see the banana.
Yeah, banana.
Alright, me give you the banana.
I don't want a banana. The banana sick my stomach as my body.
Me think I got something right?
Yes.
Mama, don't beat up my body. Don't beat up my body. Don't do that.
Kayla.
The pinky me always say with.
Yeah, but me
You
can't
don't
find
take a
Pinky.
Pinky, I want bad influence enough. Don't make she par with Pinky. Me tell you the truth. Pinky is not a good friend.
When me see bad influence, me see bad influence.
I don't see it
First of
by
all,
Pinky.
Anyhow, me don't know how your mama and papa make you live out of house. In a them.
Around with me
Yeah, how
clothes.
much?
Me have 14 around with me clothes.
Yeah, exactly. Look how my daughter dress.
My father and my mother don't have no money like that, so me have to wear what they can buy. That's true, them are cheap, you know, that's why.
Listen me, big clothes cheap.
No?
How much do I pay for this?
A second hand.
Right. How much cheap bottom part?
You never buy it?
Okay, we get it from charity.
Well, my clothes are not second hand. So, you know, it very expensive.
So you say your people them poor.
Sometimes me not too want to put my business. Me put up all the clothes that I want wear, nothing
I'm
wrong
going
with
to
it.
teach you something you're going to learn. You see, enter you see people like them and dress up like this. Like some all that.
Yes, all that.
Check them background.
Check my background.
Beat up my body.
My mother is a Christian.
Are you dressed so?
Yes, and if I'm a Christian, it's my mother, not me. My mother
So
Christian, me a
Christian, so
Christian.
me can't dress so. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Me say me hungry if you cook done.
Oh. Come on, sir. Come on. Come on, Amiad. Come on, Amiad. Why is Amiad? Come on, Amiad. You know, see next time you bring nobody coming to me and just like that.
What you gonna do?
And only the banana skin me go fling this time. You see the piece you have underneath the bed, we leave a tissue them in it.
They go and pit so you can put it inside bathroom so we won't have no piece underneath no bed.
Yes, today.
Yo, oi. Okay, phone number.
Give me
You found this. Doctor me I come from. Miss Perm con high. Like a green arm. You know in green arm high? I saw this sperm count high. You come and tell me about rum, I show you know, man. You come and tell me about rum. I rum make it so high. Yeah, me for wonder what go on.
Me sure say me can't breathe.
Sure say you can't
Yes,
breathe?
me sure say me can't breathe. So you are the problem. You are the problem. You cannot breathe me.
I for wonder sometimes if it's a transmission or something. What I mean by you can't breathe? You can't breathe, the doctor me I come
Where
from.
we get transmission?
Mean, you born as a man or something? So you can't breathe.
So I said if me did born as a man, you don't think so you don't know that?
Transmission, I know transmission.
Listen to me, no, but you come to me with that. I try put blame on me, no.
Blame for who?
Yes, you try to put blame on me, say I'm here the problem, which are you are the problem, good as all fraud this.
Fraud or what?
A
I said, well, one fraud sitting.
You can't breed me, and I'm sure you
Sure,
cannot
yo,
breed
come-
me.
come
Me
let's
see
just-
me period, me see everything.
Oh,
so
and
me
everybody
can't
say period
breed.
can't breathe, you know.
Me can't, me sure of myself. Remember, me can't put my head on the black.
Put head pan
Me
black.
know
Put it on
say
the black
me can't
right now.
breed. Me can't breed.
Put the head pan the black. Me go for 1 second
I have
right now.
problem. You
Me
drop
no
shot.
problem.
You
Doctor, me a
are
come
drop
from.
shot.
You see, as I wake up bright and early, 6 o'clock, let me 6 o'clock pass. We are got a doctor.
Why
You
you?
see, me and you.
Why you?
Me and
Me no need
you.
to go there because me know
What?
for a fact say me can't breed.
You know, say if you look, it's my type of man there though.
Yeah.
You can't stretch over there.
All that
Look, you cross the head right now.
that deal with them. Did blind.
Blind
You
way.
have on glasses. I'm
No.
on wear glasses.
Hey, man, you play with me and my money.
If I
I spend
could
my
never
money.
see-
So I love waste money.
If-
I run me waste my money for the doctor.
Right, rum
No
not tap bun
doctors,
out
when
your
you got
body.
doctor is serious.
Rum, everything rum. Rum not tap bun out your body. Go
Yo,
about your business.
right now, give me a paper too.
Bob,
Yeah,
a fraud that. Bob, breed nobody. You can
Ramp
nobody.
with me, no, yo.
You drop shot, no.
Stop shot, now you ramp with me. No.
Right out that. We need to look 1 minute. Shanice. Evelyn. Yeah, man, your friend. Yeah, tickers. You can do me a favor. You remember my last place where we did meet up? Link me up there, please. Yeah. May I have something more to offer you. Alright. But I don't put on me away for you. Alright. Shanice,
Yeah.
you man me call. What should I do here?
So you said meet you at the spot. Me think I tour with it for come when you
If
call
me did
me.
want it Tuano, me da call it Tuano.
Me never know.
You couldn't. Me not say me have an issue with you no mum. But me just do
So
want
when you want to
discuss.
come with her?
Something private me do want discuss with her.
So yeah, we can go inside, go talk if you want.
No, you know. Me no make no sense. Me go round it. Anyways, I want offer me have for you.
Money off of we?
We,
Yeah, we.
a Shanice me call. Anyways, actually money for true though.
How much money?
800,000. Yeah. But what me need if it do, I'm not sure if you're going to do it.
I want me have to do so.
Just listen to Shanice. Have an open mind.
Open mind.
Me a chat.
Girl.
Me a
You don't tell me nothing, you know. You don't tell me nothing.
Shanice, hold on. Remember, say you have school, you have your
Exactly.
father, and your father not have
Take
no
your money
money
now,
to
girl.
that,
Take
and
your
then
money
you
now.
put something like, calm down.
Oh, you're so
Hold on.
jumpy.
Shanice, me try to have a youth for my man. You see me?
So that concerned me.
But it not work out. Yeah,
Then don't have none.
Girl.
what me need from you is more if you get pregnant for my man and have a baby.
My virgin, little pum pum.
Call it say you're married, girl.
Oi, wait. Oi, take your money and do it.
Come on,
I
Shanice.
suppose me die.
You're not
Yeah, why you have to put your mind there, so? Put your mind to
I dead, my mama dead when he left me no. After I have me dead.
But Shanice, at $800,000, you not have it.
Me no must see the 800,000 life me dead. Don't put your hand pa me.
Shanice have money, you know.
Listen, you
Take
see
him
father
money,
when me have, if father when me have a loan, nah.
no sense, you know.
He nah gonna make that happen, Alien.
Listen.
He always tell me say no can belly in there.
Yeah, but me know how to deal with
Why
your
couldn't me
daddy.
get them off fire,
Listen me.
Jesus? I couldn't me get them off fire. I want to me so salt.
I want do her.
Listen to me, me can't make you be no youth for me, no, cause
Girl,
you're
take it
too
off,
ghetto,
huh?
you're too loud. You understand? That's
I'm
why me
afraid
not
not
offer
to
your
too.
hit. That's why me not offer your
Take
hit.
your money.
But Shanice,
Listen to
please.
me. You see father when me have a loan, nah make that work, Alien. When me I go stay
Your
here.
father is not no problem. When you realize, say, you have the youth and you give me the youth, and afterwards you get the money and
He
like
get the
that,
money.
then you're not gonna bring the money to him. You're not gonna see, say, right now your father would proud of you, Shanice.
So me fi make my little belly extend. And when that something come out, so shiver left go left on my
So,
belly.
Shanice, me make sure say you're well taken care of.
And
during
take the money,
pregnancy.
give that a man there.
You're gonna take care of your father. You know love your daddy.
Support me dead.
You're not dead, Shanice. Take your mind out of the.
I dead, my mother dead.
Hold on. Listen now. Me, I want you calm down and think about it.
No,
Remember,
style,
say you
man.
and your father has struggle.
We not
Just
struggle.
listen now.
Nah,
You and your daddy has struggle
Nah,
right
struggle.
now.
We not struggle,
about
we rich.
Just think about it.
AC we have.
Shanice, think about it. Me, I keep update with them and I call you. You see me?
Girl.
Later,
think about it.
walk good.
but you could have taken money.
Oh, you're so enough. You have to show the world so you suffer.
You are suffer, no
Me
me
not
suffer.
you see me look like me a suffer. Me rich.
Suffer, mark on your face.
Me rich.
Mark, you want some of my ice cream?
No, me rich.
Oi.
Yo. A time for you lift up and now, you know.
See what?
Time for you lift up.
So why like
Let me
this
make you come, get up now.
Why problem?
Me tired every here. My friend my pass. Beep. Girl Chuck is here. Come out. Me the planet again. Me tired eyes now.
You mean tell us
Me nothing.
we can't
B is of the alphabet after A hour. B.
They just
Well, girl, use plan B. Me no know B over here no
just
more.
understand now.
Understand what?
We can't do this. We can't do this. We can't
No,
do this.
me can't it no more.
At least,
Don't me say. Me get jug, you know.
B, alright, listen,
jug.
hold on. Calm down, look at it. Please, calm down and listen to what me I try to say.
Where I say? Talk to me fast.
Alright.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Since
5 seconds.
Just listen now.
4.
Since naturally,
3.
listen to me now.
Talk now, me make you talk.
Since naturally, it used to say now work out between me and you. You see me? If possible, you could have just give me your sperms now and little tube and this, and I'm a doctor and they do an insemination in my stomach.
My sperms. So me can't
Yes.
use. Me can't put in here myself. But them put in here myself.
Me now work that
You know go
way.
worry with the eye that if me can't do it, me
No,
also hard.
doctor can do it for we.
Me push you as far as if it go till it buck. And me go some and it up there gone, up there in the
Me
belly.
just agree with this. Me I
Me
beg
not
you.
agree with nothing, right? Me go,
Why?
this one go up and me say one hot pretty brown, me say a she me go try a breed.
Also, just because you find other woman make you keep an
Fine.
once and now.
I mean,
Eh?
me see she breed and get 2 pit, me can breed and me give me third one too.
You can't breed nobody naturally be. Just give me alright. Let me try one last.
Yeah, me must have got after yesterday. You know.
Listen now.
Me got after yesterday.
Listen now. Let me try
Me say,
one.
me,
last.
I'ma
I
show you
just one
later.
last try. One last
I'm gonna try
time.
tonight.
No, just
Till night, we go try last night. Till night.
Yeah, but
morning,
you have to give me a
get up a
sperm.
morning, give my sperm.
Yeah.
Me not give my, me go give it in your belly.
No.
In your home, me go
Me
push it
need your
myself.
sperms. You can't go a doctor
Me
for
know
the
you need
insert
it.
it
No,
in
no,
me.
no, doctor not get it. And so
Please,
that's
no.
me go give it. And me
Please,
give my baby
I
for
best
9 months.
way. That way you can top worry yourself about baby.
No.
Please, no.
I go on the road this morning. I see my friend with female youth. Say youth born yesterday. I see my next friend down in road with a daughter. I say that born today.
And your friend them pick me a jacket. So where you come with? Just
Let's make
listen
a
to-
jacket that I'm not getting none at all.
Listen.
Listen, I'm going to take a jacket that I'm getting none. I'm call for sitting. I'm not call for nothing.
Listen, Abby. Just give me a sperm
Me
now.
I listen all along now.
Me I want tube in the house. Well, me just need to collect your sperms now. Agree to that now, please.
You have a tube, you must have a tube in there you can put in there myself.
Just agree to that now, B.
Listen, man.
B, please. Just agree
Brother.
to insemination. Can you realize nothing else now work?
Actually, I love it and you warm and so a bit of cool nowadays. I just show you warm. Yo, I'm going to try to get a chance. I'm going to get a last chance. So you see if it don't work,
It all gonna work. I
you see
sure
it
thing.
do. You go in a grill potato. In a grill but I can go through a grill when it come.
A sure thing.
Imaginary.
Sure thing.
Sure thing.
Yeah, sure
We're going to try last. We're going to try in the bedroom first tonight.
Alright, come on. We'll start now. Girl, I take for come man. Look at the time. At night I come down. I watch it. You still not reach us all now. Sure. Can't bother no brother. What take you so long, Janice?
Me did I wash plate. My father did I wash some of the pin up the clothes and pan the line.
So you decide whether you're gonna deal with this for me.
I don't call me for.
The Janice, me no need you. Me did ask you to help me out with the situation. Me ask you, no, Janice, and me no want you to take it
Me say no. Nothing at all can't make me say yes. If I that come from how they come in now.
Janice, what do you mean by no?
No. And oh.
It's not that hard for you just deal with something for
Me
me.
too young for that.
Janice, please, me I beg you for just deal with.
Hello. Can I see your ID? Once if me have the same last name.
So you just walk up to her and ask her for your ID, so I walk on.
Just want to see if me related. Just want to see your.
So why you not think that me and you related of all people?
Yeah, let me see your ID.
Here,
I'll shop me and go, you know.
me ID there. Me not no me not related to you.
So you walk with the ID in your hand?
And my phone back, me just take it out. I always have my ID for me, 24/7.
So yeah, do so.
Shanice,
I can't find my gas shop.
Come.
may we talk one next time, I hear boo?
Alright.
Or yourself. Every time me call her, every time this little crosses girl have to pop up in a situation. But me not say nothing. Me have to watch Shanice. What's I come and play hard and now man, you're crazy. I'm want to pick me.
Girl, what going?
I'm glad I see you. I'm glad I see you.
Oh, what?
You know, so me I go to one club tonight. I don't mind if I come. You know, I come. Remember,
My father now make me go nowhere.
your father nothing know. Jump through the window.
You don't see where my window be? Apply nail up on the window.
Well, then say go pay auntie and thump pay auntie. Me I got club tonight and my father and mother just sleep me. I jump
My
out
father
and
now
go club.
gonna make me go for my auntie tonight. Where's tomorrow?
Come now, make we go together. Say what good say what to send the left out of the yard.
No, girl, me can't do that too.
What you say that yeah? A club, me say no want come a club. Club girl go wind up.
Me can't go where you mean by you.
Girl, all me vice gang, cause last time I got club go mash up party. And you not party?
You live life. Me alright.
All my foot mash up, all my phone, me say my phone mash up, you know. Everything mash up. Me all spread out.
Oh God.
You feel like me there to see when me drink liquor? You feel like me there for
So that's
cloud 9? Cause girl me there party, I say, what? a go party.
Anyways, me a go down to my father because if me
You're too fool.
long, him a come look for me to go have a tick. And me can't
You see my man look for me for grab a tick? No, I tell
because
lie.
your parents are not busy, boy. You
No.
see how they let you go careless.
They let me go careless. I show me smarter than you.
Your parents let you go careless. Because you, as a 14-year-old, can go club.
Eh.
Then how you call that?
When them asleep, then have you if you see this a girl and they jump through window.
That's why them for nail up your window.
You're lucky when I want to go club.
Under no rules or regulations.
Dirty girl man when I want to go club. You go club again.
Eh? One the picnic, eh? The one to keep me damn pipe lock. Eh? Keep me damn pipe lock. What is that? That's me soon come the neighbor. Me soon come. Me away from me little girl come and thump him in the mouth. Why oh boy.
Me not get no bleach.
Look at girl, what me want about the pipe?
Feel lucky.
So why no lock none of the panny?
No lucky lock.
Lock. Lock you feel lucky so. Lock you feel lucky so. See there, lucky.
See you lucky with padlock.
And yes so you're lucky. Yes so.
So people then come for water.
Listen me. Anybody where come for water, not supposed to catch you none, you know.
But you not tell them that out your mouth.
But I will give a box you see man, you see Blinky. Where you come from?
Now you say me fi go buy bleach.
Oh. Where bleach there?
Me not get none. So me buy bag juice with the money because me did thirsty.
Yo. Me not hear good. Wait there. Me not hear good. Repeat what you just said a while ago.
Me not get none, so me buy.
You a big woman? You a big
Me
woman?
did thirsty.
How many times me tell you, say, when you go a shop and me say if you go buy something, you bring back me
But
money.
you never tell me fi buy, you tell me fi trusty.
So you go trust back juice from bill.
$50.
Look again.
The bleach that be
Don't worry,
$300.
we're shotting your lunch money tomorrow. You know where you at?
School not keep so you must know.
Oh boy. God, help me.
Well, and it's becoming, I can't even know me I pray right now, you know. You have to go if you give me a good explanation tonight.
B.
Me there, man. Before you say nothing else, what doctor tell us?
Say can't wait.
What doctor tell us, say? I'm mad right now. Me have my mad glass.
Alright.
Mad.
Alright.
Talk to me now, man.
Hold on
You
now.
know what going on? Me now hold on.
You're too anxious. Calm
Me a hold on
down.
pan in my hand for hold on pan. The jug. This as I come sit down for me a hold on pan. Talk to me nice.
Anyways, the doctor said me pregnant.
Jesus Christ. I wonder if I glass for me a ear doubles. Put on the back. What you say?
I'm pregnant.
Music to my ears. Father, yeah.
You happy?
No girl for you guy.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, anyway.
So I want now, baby.
Right, okay.
I'm good. We're
So-
going to the beach tonight. We're going to Margaretville.
B, I hear no, we're not going nowhere. You hear? Not going nowhere. So, right now, you realize how me pack up.
And if I'm to your breeder now, I will breed them at all. I will breed. Who breed you?
Be calm down.
Oh no, I say who breed you?
Are you breed me?
So where you go with bag? Where you go with bag?
If you're not listen to what me I say to you. Calm down now. Calm down.
It's a too soft.
If me just breed and could you want me start stamp out the baby already.
Soft, you know. Talk to me.
Why me take this a madman and come pick up in my life?
Talk to me.
Anyways, B, it's a happy moment, not a sad moment. Relax.
You happy and it's sad.
No, it's
and
not sad.
Stressful in
It's
that
a
one.
fully happy,
You
straight through.
tell me say something I want to hear from much month. But how long do me? How long do I try?
Years.
Right.
And it finally happened.
You finally know you tell me
Yes.
back and you leave. Where you leave go.
B, me get one job. You understand
That
me?
woman love tell man, you know.
No, just listen, me get one job and me not gonna come back until 9 months time. Me not gonna come back until 9 months time.
So you tell me say, you go. A man, yeah, man water in your belly. I know for me pitney then.
B, me get a job. Right now, our baby, you know, so we baby can literally become a citizen overseas.
So a white man bring you?
No, just listen to me. A better opportunity for my child. Me I think, boy. Me get a work.
So what
me I
to
go
me?
for 9 months. Me I come back.
Me can mind the for 9 months. Me have my money.
Well, he already organized, and I know me I leave. You understand? Just don't worry yourself. I'll get to see your baby. I'll get to hold your baby. Everything alright. Here.
Alright.
Me can get a hug.
Right now,
On my way out, please.
when I come back and me see you.
Say don't trust me.
When me see you, me give you a hug. Me give you more than a hug. Me buy you a Benz.
Alright, don't worry yourself, babe. Don't worry yourself. Me go on, me a push right now.
Dig man.
Yeah.
Dig.
Don't worry yourself. Me keep in contact with you. Yeah.
Skip.
Alright, love you later.
Yeah man, skip. Yeah, go on man. If you can't take me for fool, you're a big man now, you know, be a fool. Yo. So I think I tell me something good in the night. Tell the shovel here. Me walk up on him like a side up me a walk on. You didn't even know. Better come back on the right. Me I can go in my house too, you know. Walk through just and go in my place. And even
Yo, if that girl thinks them I come at this time and left, you know. He make a sad mistake, cause me I forget what me want out of him. And me hope you know Kyle could chat him out on with him too, you know. Cause me don't know what I'm to share him. The time she come round. Eh? I know she not reach us, so watch her. Good time. She come. What?
That me feel asking you ever call me at me yard.
Shanice, you
Ariane.
make your decision as yet.
No is no. Read me lips.
Say this no. Not do it.
Not at all.
You're not take the money and have the baby.
No, because I must live to see the money.
How you not gonna live, Shanice?
I did, my mama did, or my mama did.
Everybody line, they have their own life to live. That don't have to be yours.
Well, no.
Shanice, make
When
you
you
find out.
Pinky?
Pinky's a ghetto girl. Me don't want a ghetto girl be a child for me. Yours a nice young lady.
But me not got the dear, me got the dear.
Shanice.
When me know, me ask so when the baby born, me I go see the baby.
Shanice.
When the baby born.
I know you're a baby.
Exactly, so why you can't use Pinky?
Shanice, me I give a final offer.
I mean, I want to take
the. You're not taking.
No.
Shanice, you decide you're not taking.
No.
Shanice, you're sure you don't want to take that chance? Eh? You want to take a chance with me, girl? As a matter of fact, me not ask you. You understand me? You're gonna do it. Come on. Listen up. You left me with no choice. You understand? Me I ask you, me I beg you, Shanice. You know how long me I beg you if you just do this to me? You see me? Listen. You see, yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir, you're fool.
Me not
you're
here.
Yes sir, you
No.
girl. And I ask you if you stay. You see me?
Go home,
Me not
I
ask
go
you.
beat you.
Shanice, me not hurt you. Just listen to me I say to you.
Put the gun on me now.
Because you're stubborn. You're one of the most stubbornest person me ever come across. You understand? Me tell you something need a youth out of you. And it's like you don't understand that. So, you see for 9 months,
Me not done ya. So why me want pee-pee? Why me go pee-pee?
me bring a bucket to you.
What?
You're not even see daylight till the baby they born. You see me? Me not ask you, Shanice.
Me not done ya.
Tomorrow, listen to me I say, tomorrow, my doctor, I go come
Come do what?
inside the yes.
Now
In
you say you can't kill me then.
Shanice, me will if you push me to it.
Then kill me. Or you go get the pitney.
Do not push me. No push me. Cause right now me do anything in my power to make sure that me get exactly what me want. You understand me? Me never want hurt
You
you.
want go home.
You now get to see your daddy until 9 months time.
So when dead?
He not dead during the
You
9
want
months.
go home.
He cool man.
No.
And make sure you eat, you sleep. All you need is a bed. You understand me? You see me?
Want go home.
I'm sorry but up here, you give me no choice. You don't give me no choice. Me beg you and a little plea me plead to you, Shanice. You push me to this. So you see us right now.
Plant the gun.
I want you to humble and think about this right now and prepare yourself for tomorrow. I catch something for you to eat so your body can well fed so you can go through the procedure. You see me?
I want to go home.
You know, not a box. You hear? Because you not see for your yard. And ask me after that.
Yes, yes, yes.
What happened to you?
Me sorry for lick you with the banana. Yeah, with the banana skin. Wish me know say you lick hot. May I chat to you? May I chat to
Me
you?
go about my business now.
Where my daughter there?
No, what me do with that? I don't know where that. Me that not chat from when. Your daughter par with Pinky. Go look for Pinky.
My daughter not come in last night, you know. And you always can come a yard from what the area.
The one little time I come here, you take banana skin and dash in my face. I found what the have time back.
2 days ago.
Good.
No, my daughter missing. I must 3 days ago, me take the banana.
Let me tell you this now. Me that don't par like a that. Cause that don't have no blasted sense. And me can't take idiot.
So you want to tell me, say, you know, no idea where my daughter got?
Look for Pinky. You find your daughter. Me don't want about Pinky. But then you see me bad. You see look what me do? You just go to party at night time and wind up because I want to live life and drink rum.
You know what why not bring?
Oh, why not bring?
Disease.
Disease. If me catch a disease, I go to the doctor and get rid of it. And me got party, you hear me say me do? Me wine. When me the wine, oh, me catch disease.
Let me teach you something. You see the word in here, H, I, and the V, you can get rid of that.
Me not got party go do things. Me got party go wine up.
You go party, go wine up. You're an idiot. You're a clown. You better go on circus. If you want wine up, go on a circus. You feel them monkey there over Panama. You ever look at them? You ever look at them? Listen to me. I go and check Pinky now, you know. Me I come back again, you know.
You call me monkey. Like you good looking.
Hey, look at me good. I'm very elegant. Yeah? One way I go.
Sometimes when ugly people are tell me say they ugly. If you're good looking, you can tell me say me ugly. But guess if you are good looking, are you ugly?
Uh-huh.
So you tell me say me ugly. I have to laugh at you. Oh, you actually related.
Uh-huh. 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 Whoa. Whoa. Wait. I must. I'm fine Pinky right now.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you.
What? I can't sleep so.
I feel good. I feel me have vomit. My belly a hot me.
That means you're pregnant now, man.
So every time you come with that.
Shanice, me don't know if we can trust you yet. I just that. You understand? But just to make you not stress out the baby, me put it away. You
I
understand?
feel good, man. Me tired. My belly a hot me. I'm in a top vomit.
Oh my God. You're pregnant. Here. Our first stage is a pregnancy. That here.
I mean, have you got to do this for 9 months? We even can't see when sunrise for a set.
Know yourself. As time get quite go along, me carry you go right. I do wake up, peep, make get a little sunlight. You have to get your vitamin C and a little something there. So Shanice, you feel no different way other than what?
Me not have sleep.
You're supposed to
I
sleep.
never sleep so long in my life.
Yeah, you carry a young baby, so you're gonna sleep.
Everything me tell you laugh.
Because me happy.
Happy say me I go through depression.
Who's better you go through depression? Girl, you eat. Your only thing might be a problem.
As
is
me
that your
eat it
clothes-
come up.
You so stop. I first trimester, you know.
You just wait. Just open and pray say. J. Henry, no see you.
J. Henry.
You just open and pray say.
Who names up?
No, my father. Yeah, come ask me about who name so.
J. J. Henry from where?
Right in the lane, me live. In the lane across from Peg Up Shop. So stay there.
Wait there. Shanice.
Wow.
Hold on. J. Henry as in shorting for Jeremy.
I don't know
Henry.
my father name. Oh, you know my father name.
By any chance, you happen to have one fish birthmark on your left leg?
How you know that?
Let me see it.
See there? Wait there. You know my father? Me confused. Oh, you know my father? Oh, you know about my birthmark? Oh, you know so much about my family? Who you be?
Right now, my brain can't process so much something one time. You see, tomorrow, Shanice, I need to carry me go meet your father.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
So I thought I do now.
Yes, at night, Shanice. I need to meet your daddy.
See how long you have me, yeah? Just wait. And where you want to meet me daddy for?
Shanice, may I get you something for you there? I don't think I can say what I need to say to you right now.
Me confused, but anything I say, cause me want to know how you know my father, how you know about my birthmark, how you know so much something about me and kidnap me at the same time.
All I can say to you is that...
Look out for
Shanice,
me.
just listen now.
Me no want to hear.
Just listen to me, I say. All I can say to you is that I'm sorry. Tomorrow, me and you see your daddy, you hear? You get to see daddy.
No time me see me daddy, me now come back here, come in and my stress here.
Good evening.
You again? You again?
Me come from school. But no, instead of me go to school today, look for your daughter. Because she borrowed me $1,000, I want it back now.
Let me ask
So
you a
for the
question.
time you say she miss me in the final. Shanice! My money.
So you come on my yard and have me stay on the road until I say my daughter trying to start partner your company. And then go one evening, she not come back home. And you I gonna come tell me say, if my daughter not come back home. I wonder if you kidnap me pitney.
Me.
I wonder if you jealous and murder me pitney.
Girl, listen to me. My name, Papa. I never really get your name. I'll call her Shanice's father. Listen to me. Me and Shanice was never no bench and batty. Right?
You go to Pinky, you know.
What you
I
say?
go to Pinky and Pinky say, Shanice stop par with him because of you.
Shanice stop by because of Pinky.
Somebody alive.
Make sure I'm going to tell you the truth. The God Almighty truth, but God love. See, Shanice, all Shanice think about is education. Pinky is a harlot. Pinky, they have sex all over the place, you know. Me now, I'm one to go to a party and dance, no more.
You hear what you talk about?
But me
You
I
hear
tell
what
you
you
the
talk
truth, you
about?
want to kidnap your daughter is a very good girl. Man, a Pinky is out a daughter. Between me and one time, me used to Pinky I do trafficking. And trafficking one little girl.
Pinky himself can't even find, much less.
Because a Pinky do your daughter something. Sometimes I can't. Anyway, give me $1,000 your daughter take. I don't have time for your family member issues.
How much you borrow from you?
$1,000 I want it back.
$1,000. $1,000.
$1,000.
Oh, boy, I tell you, I come then, give me a second.
Aye.
$1,000 she borrow from you. Yo, no, you shouldn't move. I'd go to prison for your 14-year-old today. I'd pronounce you. Oh,
Man, then, you know.
you shouldn't move. Shouldn't move. Shouldn't move.
Daddy, me I run for my life, Daddy. Me only
Where you come from?
Me come from Shanice, yeah. Shanice borrow me $1,000.
Me ask you again. Where you come from?
Daddy, me come from Shanice.
Remember say me ask you.
I'm telling me I come from.
Remember say me ask you where you come from.
Me I come from Shanice and Shanice borrow me
Where
$1,000.
you do over Shanice yard?
Me go
You have something over Shanice yard to go over
me
Shanice
me
yard.
$1,000.
What?
Me 1,000 me did.
You do what?
Me 1,000 me
Come
did.
here, sir. Yes, yes, sir.
1,000.
Which $1,000?
It was
Talk up no man, talk up no man. Which $1,000? We are jump up for you, jackass. We are jump up for.
Daddy.
You ain't go over Shanice go do.
Me go for Shanice to me $1,000, Daddy. You know.
Where you get money from via lend Chinese out money and you forgot school and you can't find money for go to school. But your money
Chinese.
can lend Chinese.
Shanice still hungry, Daddy. And if I never have it, somebody, me take out your $1,000.
You what?
Me take out your $1,000. Daddy.
You not like me can't come up go nowhere else.
Morning.
Morning.
How you doing this morning?
You blind? The purse.
Well, you can sit
So
up
how you
here.
big the mattress itself shift?
You can sit up for a minute,
How
please?
long when me I gonna stay in here?
Can you sit up for a minute, please?
No.
Can you sit up for a minute,
No.
please?
How long
Can you sit up for a minute, please? Your stubbornness is getting to me now. Sit up for a minute.
talk?
Thank you. I didn't want to do that, but you pushed me to do that. Jeez. Anyways, as I said from last night, you are pregnant. You understand? And
Last night, then I one night God for you come back here. When you left here?
I came in here last night to you.
And me not think 4 months run off.
You slept a lot. I'm sorry to inform you. But you called a name last night, and that name sounds very familiar to me. You understand?
Why?
You said J. Henry, right? That was what you said.
Yeah.
As in Jeremy Henry.
I ain't very in there. What the problem?
If it's the same Henry, sorry. If it's the same Henry that I think you're talking, I might be your biological mother.
Eh?
Yeah. If it's the same Henry that I think you're talking.
So you want to tell me, say, the woman when me papa say dead can be you?
Well, we can't know that until me actually see your father.
I too believe that, but yeah, me can't kill some father right now.
Yeah,
I'm a chopper
but
say dead.
listen, you see, when we go see your daddy, if it's not the same guy, you understand? Tell him, say, I save you. Alright, and you're right there, so. You hear? What me say if I say it to him?
I save me.
Yes, but if it turn out to a same person, me no know.
Then I know
Me
what
no know
to
the
do.
outcome. I swear, cause right now, with I regret, literally make my daughter have to go through this.
Come.
So, get your shoes or whatever and come on.
Yes, come. Go on.
Calm down. That coming like you want to run out, leave me.
Come.
Just relax. Remember what me say if you say no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why, me tell me just end my life. God no, you know, for long I can't find the fitness. Look how long. Nobody not see the police and workless. Man? My God, man. Oh God. What is this? Oh boy.
Daddy.
You alive?
Yeah.
Wait there.
What happened, Jeremy?
Wait there. Wait there. All along are you find me daughter?
All along you find me daughter. All along you have me daughter and not even reach out to me. All along.
How was she?
I walk this woman breathe from him push out in gone if you.
So you
what
say
I-
she dead?
She dead. To me. Because what kind of mother like she would have push you out and gone from green check with different man?
What kind of father like you that take up my pitney when he my young age and gone and reach out to me and let me know say my daughter good?
Reach out to you for what?
Oh, for sure, say me
Okay,
have
you
a
go
child
so
out
you
there.
find out say your mother. Eh? And why you keep silent?
At Penny Road, me see her and he tell me say you ain't father.
So where you did the man yard? But what about man?
No, he ain't there no man yet.
Man yard.
She what? How you afraid of her so?
He not afraid of me. Up on the mirror for her up on the road and ask her say what she do on the road. Then we there. Like, me not see reason.
Give me
She
where you
stick
have
me up
behind you.
with gun. No?
Give me where you have behind you. Give me where you have behind you.
He tell us say pregnant.
For who? I
She
don't.
hold me down and push something in on
Give me
me.
where you have. So you take up your own pitney.
Me never know say my daughter.
That wouldn't know. That wouldn't know.
That with you, if you didn't make me know say my daughter
Whether
still.
or not your daughter or not, you don't take up people picnic off a road. You don't kidnap people picnic. Eh? Or you take up a 14-year-old go breed. For what?
You cast this. Cause if you did have me pitney, make me know my daughter, it wouldn't happen to her.
Tell your daughter the truth. And make it look like say me are the bad father.
Are you?
Yes, I tell him say you're dead. Wish you did dead to me because she push you out of hospital and say no want you. Because tell her because of her. Tell her no. Tell her.
Cause you ain't have no money.
Right. So she left you for me and gone.
Kill her.
Murder her. Yeah, but tell her say she dead a long time for true. Wallace. Good. Go on in. Go wash off yourself. Hey, come here. Who you the breed for?
Me no know, man. She carry me go our house and hold me down.
And put all the man go on top of you.
She put something inside of my vagina.
She put something in your vagina and you breathe.
She said me pregnant.
Although you're 14, you ever yam a belly before?
No.
You have to go yam that one you cannot unbastard and company earth. Because I don't know who are man or who are not man, because I can relative same way. One you go wash off your skin, you're miley. You like in a beard for a week. Can't believe. Huh? No man, you deserve one more man. You can't believe it. Out of all the people them in the world, you. Let's do a man who want it to girl.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you. Remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden. Saturday was spent in a parking lot. me.